New just listed home, 1415 Doolittle Lane Apartment 204, Dunedin, Florida, by Suzanne Burns from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bath home on a spacious 915 square feet in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the open living room blends effortlessly with dining areas and features large windows. Seamlessly connected, the fully stocked kitchen is ready for immediate use with all appliances included. The floor plan features one peaceful primary suite with 2 closets and a versatile bonus den. This is served by one thoughtfully finished bathroom. The exterior lifestyle is the highlight, featuring a private balcony with pool views and elevator access. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.